Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vane Gisselle. I will be posting a video every day this month until the 24th of December. So that you don't miss any videos for Vlogmas, subscribe and click the bell for future notifications. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it on your social medias with your friends and family. This is Vlogmas Day 18, December 18th. For today's video, I will be showing you how to make enchiladas for a party instead of individual. First, you need your tortillas, so I'm heating up the water right now. While we wait for the water to heat up, we can start cooking the tomatoes and shredding the cheese. Before I cut this little cheese, I want to make sure this is enough first.
With candy canes and silver lanes aglow, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. There's toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere that you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel and one in the park as well.
Now that the cheese is ready, I'm going to prepare the tomato sauce. For the tomato sauce, all I will be putting are tomatoes and onion.
Will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like...
So the tomato sauce I cook in the microwave. I put a wet paper towel on top so that the microwave doesn't get dirty.
Everywhere that you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel and one in the park as well. The sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. Yes, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.
Okay, now the salsa is ready.
A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And
I made 26 tortillas. This is the most amount of tortillas I've ever made, and it took me 30 minutes. So it doesn't take you that long to make tortillas. And if you want to learn how to make corn tortillas, I have a separate video on the steps on how to make it, and I'll link that down below.
the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look in the 5 and 10, glistening once again. With candy canes and silver lanes aglow. Yes, it's beginning to look a lot like...
I just finished making my enchiladas, and see you back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 19, December 19th.